All right, everyone, welcome back. It's that time to attach the cone to the can so we can complete the support piece that we're going to install into the stand base that we built earlier. Now, to make that as easy as we can, you can see I've kind of put the can over the edge of the table. I've taken some tape and put it on the outside of the can and then rolled it onto the inside of the can and rolled it into the outside. So I can better explain that to you. You need a piece of tape about 9 inches long. Again, we're going to do the old, try to get the tape to come off the edge. Always a fun time. And if the one end is giving you an uber hard time, that's all right, but to the other end, usually one end is easier than the other. As you can see, this one opened up pretty nicely. Now, once again, we're not gonna pull all the tape back, just part of it. We're gonna come over here. I've done these 3 sides. This is the last side I'm gonna do. Just gonna put it on the edge, put that inside the can. As you can see, I have a piece left over. I'm gonna cut this off with my scissors. So I'm now left with a piece that still has the paper on it, and that's going to go inside the can. And that's how I prepared the others. Tape on the inside, pull it back, cut off the excess. So now we're ready to attach the cone. And what we want to do is ensure that the cone, as you can see, lines up nice and neatly with the edges of the can. Now this is a good opportunity if you have someone to help you. Absolutely, you want them to hold on to the can. If not, you just have to be a little more careful. You're going to bring that piece up here. As you can see, have a nice edge on the can and just pull. Pull that piece. Right on up the inside of the can, just like that. You can see just that one attachment is enough for that can to stay in place. Now the next thing you want to do is the piece on the other side. Again, make sure that it's out far enough that you can get a good seal at the edge. The same thing, just pull that tape towards you. Doesn't matter if it bends at this point, really doesn't make any difference. We can see nice smooth edges there. Oops. That piece of tape broke on me. Oh, how nasty. But fortunately, the first one held. No big deal. We're going to be using lots of tape, so don't worry about it. Lots and lots of tape. Okay. So I'm just going to make another one. No worries. There we go. Again, I don't want to peel off the whole part. Excuse me for stepping in front of you. Again, put part of that inside the can. Hold the base. And start to pull forward. Just like that. There you go. All right, so now we have, again, 2 sides of the can attached. Looks like that top piece is tearing too. Maybe we better get up there and reinforce that right away. So again, take our piece of tape. Get it started a little ways. Again, excuse me for stepping in front of you. I'm going to put this up on the top of the can. Okay, you can see that I'm right there. And once again, I'm just going to pull this piece toward me. Okay. Looking good so far. I know it seems like it's a little off, but that'll be okay when we're done. Next step is I want to attach the two side pieces. Again, we're going to do it the same way. We're just going to take our tape, find the edge, and pull it right on down the can. Just like that. I'm going to come around over here, not in your way, pull this side down. Now I have the start, as you can see, I have the start of the can. Now my next step is going to be taping the entire inside of the can. You can do it while it's down, you can put it straight up, whatever easiest for you, until you form a nice solid edge all the way around. Fill these in with tape, okay? So that this is a straight shot coming down. It will eventually come out a little, and that'll be okay. But you're going to use lots and lots of tape until that entire inside of the can is covered, and you see nothing but this tape going all the way around. Now, if you want to give yourself a little reinforcement before you start doing that, by all means, come to the outside, cut some tape, turn this on its side. Let me break this off here. Again, don't uncover the whole thing. Come to the back of the can. Start on the cone, just like that. Now be careful. Pull down on the flat part, and then again, pull out your paper until this is nice and flat. And that'll help support the can. And I would recommend, once you have 2 or 3 pieces on each side in here, I'd come out with 2 or 3 pieces on the outside here. And then just finish the inside, finish the tape on the outside until the entire piece is covered inside and out with this foil tape. That'll hold this can and the cone together nice and sturdy. So while you're finishing the taping on your can, I'm going to do the same in mine, and I'll see you back here in